Welcome to Easy Engineering 360. Let's master electrical concepts, AI reels, and find job updates.
Stop scrolling! Massive AEE recruitment. Over 630 vacancies are available. Last date to apply is July 20th. Comment link for the official notification job updates.
Hello students, today we'll learn how electricity reaches our homes. We'll understand PDCL and finally to consumers. Let's begin step by step. Step 1 is generation. AP Genco generates electricity using thermal power plants, hydroelectric stations, and renewable energy sources. This is where electrical energy is produced before it is sent across. Step 2 is transmission. AP Transco carries electricity over long distances. It uses high voltage transmission lines. High voltage helps reduce power losses. Power moves safely to substations. Step 3 is distribution. AP CPDC electricity from AP Transco and distributed safely through local substations and distribution lines to cities, towns, and villages. Step 3 is quickly revise. AP Genco generates, AP Transco transmits it, APS PDC, APS PDCL, and electricity supply chain.